Hello guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Posa, and if today is your first time of watching my video, I would like you to make use of the subscribe button, and don't also forget to push on the notification in order to be notified when my next video drops. Alright, for those that have been following my video, I've been receiving comments and questions. Most people are asking me about the Zoom level. Different questions are coming in, and I've been attending to so many as I can. Alright, this strategy that I want to drop today is a modification of a strategy that I've dropped before because of the questions that I've been receiving about that particular strategy. So I feel the need for me to give a little modification for easy understanding, so anyone can use the strategy. Even if you have not watched the first video, with this video alone you will be able to set your chart and trade effectively on the boom and crash market. Alright, without wasting much of your time, like I do always say, no strategy is 100%. Don't allow any trader deceive you. These are things that most traders fall prey to. No strategy is 100%. If a strategy can give you a profit of 80%, it's a very good strategy. Now, and if it's giving you loss of 20%, that is a very good one. So you having the profit is surpassing the loss, which is to say you are maximizing your profit and you are minimizing your loss. This is what every trader wants, to always be in profit. That is very, very important. Alright, without wasting much of your time, I'll be taking you through this strategy, this wonderful strategy that has been working. If you notice, I've also used it. As you can see my chart here, I've test run this strategy, and it's working perfectly fine. So I want to share this lovely strategy with you. Just follow this video and make sure you set your chart the same way you're seeing it here. Now, trading on crash markets and the boom market. Now, when you are trading on the crash 500 and a boom, the crash 500 and the crash 1000 market, you always trade on spike, on downtrend. I always say this because it's very, very important. Now, once you understand the trend of the market, it's very, very easy for you to trade easily on the synthetic index market, which is the boom and crash market. It's very, very easy for you to trade. And if you understand price action well, trading on this market is very, very, very easy for you. It will be a very, very easy thing for you. Now, if you don't have basic knowledge on trading on the boom and crash market, don't forget, you can always look through the description for my contact. You can call me or you can send me a message on WhatsApp for mentorship or training. You can always contact me. I will attend to you as soon as possible. Alright, without wasting much of your time, this strategy, like I said earlier, it works for boom and crash. Now, this chart here is on crash 500. Now, how do you use this strategy? It is very, very easy. Now, as you can see here, let me just bring out an object for easy illustration. Now, as you can see here, as you can also see, as you can also see here, as you can see here also, this short signal for you to trade. Now, once you see something like this, is a very, very short signal for you to place trade on this market. Now, once you see the RSI line crossing the upper Bollinger Band, now this is a short signal for for you to place a trade and you see spikes coming in. Don't forget, like I said earlier, you need to understand the trend of the market in order not to waste more time to catch a particular spike. Now, when it's on downtrend on the crash market, it's very easy for you to catch spikes on the market. Now, concerning the zoom level, you just zoom it twice, as you can see here. 1, 2. Now you zoom it in a way, as you can see, everything is bold, clearly out, as you can see here. Now this is the zoom level I normally make use of. Now this is very important because most people, they find it difficult using a different zoom level. Now once you can fall through this zoom level, it's very easy for you to trade on the spike market. Now if you can check previous markets, let me navigate through previous markets so you can see for yourself. Now once you see, most times as a forex trader, you just need to be very patient. Now patient in the sense that you just need to wait for a particular and sure opportunity. Now once you see that opportunity, it's very easy for you to trade on this market. Very easy for you to trade on this market. As you can see here, now I've been here before. As you can see here, now once it's approaching this dotted 80 line and it's crossing this upper Bollinger Band, it's a sure signal for you to start aiming for the spikes. Now you get them clearly when it's on downtrend. It's very easy for you to catch these spikes on these crash markets, crash 1000, crash 500. Don't forget, anything I'm teaching you on this crash 500, same applies to crash 1000. This is very important. Just take note of this. Now checking the time frame, checking the trend, sorry, it's very easy for you to know the trend of the market. Now as you can see, it was on downtrend with some higher high, higher low, with some retracements, some little pullbacks before it started. Now as you can see, it wants to start coming up to the upside. Now it has gotten to its support line. Now once it gets to that support line, it's very easy for it to now buy for a long period of time on crash 500 or crash 1000. Now I'm seeing this already. Most traders don't get to understand this because they don't have that basic knowledge on trading. Now I can put you through, you can chat me up, I can always put you through, and also put you through price action. Once you understand price action, it's very easy for you to trade using this strategy. Now once you've noticed this trend of the market, you have to switch it back to a lower time frame, as you can see here. Now it's on M1. Now seeing this, it has crossed the dotted 80 line, and there's a massive spike here. Now you just have to wait for the next opportunity. Now why it's taking longer time to spike is just because it's on its uptrend. Now it has gotten to its support line. Now when I checked it through higher time frame, I saw that it has gotten to its support line, so it's trying to go back and hit the resistance line before it finds its way back to the support line, forming a higher high, higher low. Most time there might be a consolidation on the way. Most time the market might be consolidating, and this is something that will actually make the market very tricky. But if you understand price action clearly, it will be very easy for you to trade on this market. Now as you can see, if you notice, a spike just fall through. Now it goes to the RSI line, goes to the upper Bollinger Band here. It goes to the upper Bollinger Band here, and as it was touching it, as it was touching the upper Bollinger Band, it just spiked down, as you can see here. So that was what I was explaining here. You can see it just happened now. It just spiked down, and it's very very easy for you to dictate. You don't need too much indicators for you to catch spikes on boom market or crash market. Now, once you see something like this, it's very easy for you to start catching these spikes. You just have to be very very patient. Now I want to switch it back to crash 1000. Now this is chart for crash 1000. Now you zoom twice. Now this is the zoom level. Now let me bring out an arrow to illustrate this for you. Now this is the dotted line, dotted 80 line. Now this is the dotted 80 line. Now you can see the RSI very close to the upper Bollinger Band. Now this is a short signal. Now since you've gotten this, now the other chart here, you can see that it's showing another confirmation here from what I explained from the previous video. You can see it's showing a proper confirmation that okay, this market wants to spike. Now, like I always say, no strategy is 100%. Most time young traders just see a strategy and quickly start using it on a live account. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to test run it on your demo account for you to understand the strategy more better. With this way, you can easily understand the strategy and see and know if it's working well for you. So you will not just blow your account when you don't understand what you are doing. It's very important to understand what you're doing. Even if you're catching 5 spikes per day, and you're making your profit, it's something you should be very thankful of, and you should be consistent about. So most time, all young traders would want to just get all the spikes in just a day. It's not possible for you to just get all the spikes in just a day. Now, most times it might give you a longer spike. Maybe it might spike for 30 minutes, but at some point, if it gets to a support line, now forming higher high, higher lows, you see some pullbacks which might just be going the opposite direction, and with this it might easily want to blow your account, which is not something you should really which is something you don't really want for your account. So you just need to be patient and just practice and follow the process. Like I said, you can reach me through my WhatsApp or you can call me. My number is on the description for easy access. I will attend to you as soon as possible. Now with this, it's very easy for you to catch spikes on the forex markets. Sorry, this synthetic index market. It's very easy to catch spike on the boom and crash market. Now, as you can see here, I want to switch it back to boom 500. Now anything I'm teaching on crash 500 and crash 1000, the opposite applies for the boom market. Now let me bring up an arrow for easy illustration. As you can see, it's getting to the lower Bollinger Band here. Now this other point here is also getting to the lower Bollinger Band here. It has gotten to the lower Bollinger Band here. This is a signal for you to enter this trade. Anytime soon it might just spike. Now for you to know if it will spike, you just need to know the time frame to know if it will spike. Now as you can see, they have analyzed this before. You can see that there have been a massive spike on this market. Now it has gotten to its support line and it wants to start pulling back. So when it gets to its resistance line, when it gets to its support line again, it might decide to start pulling back to its resistance level. So these things you need to understand it. If you understand price action, it's very easy for you to trade on the boom and crash market. Take note of these things. They are very easy. Once you understand them, it's very easy for you to maximize your profit on the boom and crash market. Now, I will switch it back to lower time frame. As you can see here, now from previous market, as you can see from previous market here, once it crosses, you see a massive spike here. Now, sometimes as you can see, sorry, let me just reduce this arrow. Okay, all right. Sometimes it might not get to the lower Bollinger Band before a spike. This is when it's on its uptrend. Now, when it's on its uptrend and it's on a spike mode, you don't expect it to get to that confirmation. At this point, you just need to just hold your trade, and you just be on profit for more than 30 minutes. You just be on massive profit. Now, these are things you should understand. As you can see here, it's touched the lower Bollinger Band, and the RSI line is touching the dotted line here. Now, this is a short signal for you to place your trade. As you can see, as you can see here, this is a short signal for you to place your trade. Now, look at the massive spikes. Now, once it gets to a resistance level, there's always a pullback before it starts spiking again. These are things you should take note of. So as a trader, you just need to have targets for each market you enter. You don't expect to catch all the spikes in a market. No, it's not possible. It's not possible. It's probably maybe you just leave the market, and that will be when you are trading on a demo account. But when trading on live account, you need to be very, very cautious of your movement on the market. This is very, very important in order not to maximize loss, because once you start maximizing loss, that is a dead end for you. So you just need to maximize profit and minimize your loss. These are things that you should understand well. These are very, very important tips that I'm giving you here. Now, with proper risk management, it's very easy for you to trade on this market. You can't be using a $50 account and be using a lot size of like 5 or 2, or most times this is very sure. Yeah, you can use 2, but it's very risky. That's a high risk. So most time you need to understand the proper risk management to apply in a particular market. This is very, very important. Once you can understand this, it's very, very easy for you to trade on the market. Now, anything I'm teaching you here on Boom 500, same applies for Boom 1000. Now I'll be showing you the charts. Now, the Bollinger Band, these are the settings. Don't forget, you can pause the video to set your chart. Now, this is the settings for the charts. So once you are done with these settings, you click on done. The Bollinger Band appears, as you can see on the main chart. Now, the next on our list will be the moving average 30. Now, these are the settings. Once you are done, don't forget you can pause the video. Once you are done, you click on done. Now, the line appear. Now, this is the line, the moving average line. It appears. Now, the next on our list will be the relative strength index, the RSI line. Now, this is the setting period 18, apply close. Then the level, buy 20, sell 80. Once you are done, you click on done. Now, this appears. This line below, the blue line, this line here appears. This is the RSI line. Now, the next on our list here will be the Bollinger Band. Now, these are the settings. Once you are done, you click on done. Everything appears. Now, don't forget, you should make sure you test run this strategy on your demo account so you understand it more better, and make sure you follow my settings. It's very sure this strategy is working, and I've been using it and it's working effectively. That's why I had to make some modifications in order for you to understand this strategy more better. Don't forget, for clarification and more mentorship, you can easily reach me on my WhatsApp, or you can call me. My number is on the description. I'll attend to you as soon as possible. All right, guys, that will be all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn up your notification in order to be notified when my next video drop. All right, guys, good day and do have a lovely day ahead. Bye for now.